The name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Hope you all will be fine by the grace of Allah Almighty. Here I am going to start a preparation for PPSC English lecture. Inshallah, I will share my knowledge that how we can prepare for the test. Today I will teach about Renaissance period, and you know very well that it starts from 1500 to 1600 AD. And just wait a minute. Yes, Renaissance period 1500 to 1600 AD. Renaissance means to movement, or the moment when this period started. And you know very well in Norman and Saxon period there were only talking about knowledge and religious knowledge. But in this era or period there is completely the knowledge of poetry and drama, just rebirth of poetry and drama. It is started from Italy, and this period is called Elizabethan period or Shakespeare's period. And you know very well that Elizabeth was a queen in England. Shakespeare worked a lot in this period. Man discovered himself and the universe. This is the main object and main theme of this era. Modern period, no religion, and there was the only period of drama, poetry and science. You know very well about Galileo. He was a scientist, and he worked very hard for this. And there is just cut of religion, or this is the now I will tell you about the characteristics of Renaissance period. That first of all is humanism, started from Italy. And the second one was love, beauty, power, superstitious, romance, lust, imagination, physical region, methodological, lack of liberty of religion, university words. Okay. And the main important work was Marlowe's work, who was, you know very well about Christopher Marlowe. He was a good dramatist, and it is also called the father of English dramatic poetry. And he was also a dramatist, and his work is divided in 4 periods. And I think that you all understood about Renaissance period. If you have any query, you can ask questions about it. Thank you.